Baba gitu o wa to no. Yo pa mo ya ki. Oba ki lo ko we gbi. Agbawa. Iri o ken ga. Do. Yeah, so aki na lo yi kore je. Do. Do nya to no se o ye. Do. Long live my king. Obagato.
Wow. I bet I carry the comforter. I bet. I need the comforter. Oh, it's a very strong nonsense issue. This one, drink for the bottle. I carry water. I don't feel use it. Can't take dry my throat. Oh. Hello. Mona, wait. Super. Stay here because I got to come here more time. Hello. I'm not going to come fight too. I'm not going to come fight. Just, I don't want to fight anybody, except person who want to fight me. Una good evening, happy Sunday evening. How are you all doing? As for me and my household, we are doing well by the special grace of Almighty. I am fine. Everybody is fine. All right, I see you there. Oh, I see. So, like this. First of all, they say give respect to those who the respect is due, and give thanks to those who deserve the thanks. I will first of all give thanks to our brother Abat Obaze, where he tell us say we were the diaspora, say we be mumu, say genocide get the exalt money for our hand, we no know. He said many of us, our papa, our mama, they suffer for Nigeria. We don't know say whether they eat. We they pay money to Godsend Foundation because I go say we because my money did there. I not come fight to just sit down there listening. He said we they pay money every time. Say every time we they give money to genocide. Say we be mumu. Say we don't know what we they do. Say we not smart. My brother, I must say a very big thank you for the eye opening. May I commode this spectacle, may they see my eye away. I must say a very big thank you for the eye opening. Even this one get shadow self. This thing get shadow. Even my eyelashes get shadow. I'm covered with the blood of eyelashes. Can you imagine? All right. So I must say thank you for enlightening us, for telling us say we were not smart enough to they put our money to genocide in hand. Say they use our money to they exaggerate. If they use our money to the suburb. If they use our money to they do this. Oh, voila. Thank you very much. But it's unfortunate now. What you are fighting for is not the rhythm of your music. I will not blame you for that. Of course, I will not blame you. Everybody have plan, and everybody have goals. Everybody has something they want. Even as difficult as 2020, everybody still has something they want to pursue ahead for 2021. You want to go about fine. So this one now will be say, you now don't they go people ask. They help them, they ask for help where they not feel ask. As John they do one where we take the pity for at that time, where everybody take love am. I believe say many people still love am the way he is till now. I don't care, or many people not come like am again the way he can't change. I don't care, but I not come fight. So as it can be now, you all not be quarrel. And you Kolisimudia, my brother. Thank God say you just see come out. People see find you like you, they say okay, maybe they support you. Since Abba don't tell us say all these things are scam. Say all of una na scam. Say all of una na una belle, una pocket now una they fight for. So like this now, me want do this particular medium openly and wisely. Tell una say, please be konu. Anybody wey want run foundation, organization, start it up. If you have little to start, if you cannot continue big, go to the government. Go and ask them for support. Go and ask them for help. The government will help you. They will join you to establish your goal. That is the way it go here in Netherlands, in every country. We are in diaspora that we are living on. This is how it go here. Okay? So we were there diaspora. Abba don't tell us, say, we be mumu. By the time we don't give una money, una don't swell up for belly. Who gets 6 pack before don't get big stomach? Una come they call us ashawo. So like this, now shower don't wise 2020. Anybody will not wise this 2020, 2021 a mistake for them. I'm telling you. At this rugged year, where God they give us grace to march over. So anybody will not feel wise this year. 2020 na mistake for them because you know still get use for them. So please, if you want to start anything you want to start with your money. Help those you can help. And if you feel the help is so severe that you cannot handle it alone, when you are bringing those videos of una, one if they go live or they bring the video, una one record the video post, call for the help of all Nigerians, not Edo in diaspora. Edo in diaspora, they are not ATM machine. Edo in diaspora, many of us, only God knows how we survive. Edo in diaspora, every one of us have our own problem to solve. Edo in diaspora, everyone in one way or the other, we have our own responsibility back home that is relying on us. So please, I don't know, this matter will be say, when senior pikin don't fail, senior daughter don't fail, everybody don't fail. Don't come the five person where they want on the help, then they carry their responsibility. Me get responsibility. If you ask my mother, I go tell her say she need help. Yes. If you ask my mother go tell her say she need help. Okay? Everybody get responsibility. Everybody get their own for body. Not be say you don't fail. You don't let your mouth sick. This one where they come here. If you don't try this thing again. Now this phone I take the live video. No, not call me again. I don't know be this one for Italy. No, try him again. Try and do all this one now. Oh, no, the respect person privacy. You will let your brother sick. You go there point of death now. Come carry on social media. Edo in diaspora, let's help our brother. This our brother. Edo in diaspora, let's help this our sister. Edo in diaspora, let's help this our friend. Edo in diaspora, we are tired. Everybody don't tire. 2020 is a very rugged year where everybody get their own. It's heavy. Next year we no want carry load. We will not be our own again. Go and take care of your father by yourself. Go and take care of your mother by yourself. If you cannot take care of them, you need help. Call on the people that can help you. Call on Dilo Minaye. Call on Oshomole. Call on Governor of Edo State. Call on Tinubu. Call on Dagote. Call on those that have the money to spend. Not we that are money to survive here. Not we, all of una, all as I tell that una name, so that's why now all of una the total. Abat, Dion, Kolisimudia, Apostle, Dion Ujosa, and enemy, Comprestali Osakuno Kodi. I just the town like this. Any problem wanna carry, they carry and they ask for the whole Nigeria, not Edo in diaspora, please. What is it? Whether you bring the person, the victim account, come out to contact the victim account number, say the money is going direct to the victim. Oh boy, we know the negotiation behind the camera. Who is a fool here? As much as I don't know this one, the ones who I never know from Siuna for camera, I know what all of you is capable of doing. You might put the pikin, put the papa, put this one number. We know the negotiation behind the camera. Don't take everybody for the fool here. We are tired. Solve the problem you can solve. We all ask for a good government for Edo State. We fought and we won, and we have a capable governor who is ready to take Edo State to the next level. Whatever problem you have, go and ask him if you think it's too heavy for you. And if you want to have a foundation so that you don't have a problem, it happens, it's everywhere. If you want to have a foundation, organization, register it so that you will be paying tax. That will know how much is coming in for income, how much is going out for people you are helping. That will know how much of tax they will be giving you for every month or every year where you will pay. You cannot be running something as if maybe now you be God, now you be your father, you go, I be this one. This one will come out. I be this one. This one will come out. I be this one. What's it happen? It means that my junior brother goes, you may go, they look for people where they see for Gbuyoko Park come out. You don't know, say road go full. Road go full. Many people don't Gbuyoko where need help, where for grow. If I tell my junior brother, my bros, I beg 30,000-50,000. Go, they look for people where they hungry, or they give the 3,000, make they take food to. They pack them together, may I surprise them, 3 rubbers of rice. Tomorrow I go ask for Facebook, maybe they call they support me, or they give me money. You don't understand? Yes, you see how many people the government don't help. Yes, because we believe we can do it. If the government are not helping, it's because we believe we can do it. E.g., let me put myself. Maybe you that is asking this question, you might not know what I'm talking about. Maybe you live. God made they take care of you for Europe, or you get husband where God bless, where they work, where they get money, where they give you every month, where they survive, or you get particular job where it big, where they do, where they make you not they feel your expenses, whether you pay bills or you don't pay bills, not they shake you. Let me put you to my own shoe now. You listen to me. Because I have a daughter at home to take care of, I do 3 hours, 30 minutes job every day. I do 17 hours job per week. At the end of the month, I get 720 euros. 720 euros. If I were to be the one, maybe I pay rent like a month, 350. I pay rent 350 euros for even if I'm not paying the rent. I pay my bills. I go pay gas, pay light, pay my this Wi-Fi where I tell the talk to you. So pay Zigo, come take care of my children for Africa. Think of what Bella go eat. Think of what me go eat. Come receive my Igbo. How much go remain for a month? Now don't I can't go bring one person where get a leg. Where be say person go see man not go fit sleep. Everybody go run scatter. And your mother has the look for what you want eat. You go use your money to help one person be saying that their problem. Beggar never finish. Feed them, give them 20 million today. Tomorrow you will see them in the street begging again. Give them all what they want today. If it's their blood to beg, they will continue begging. They can even beg with style. They can even beg with degree, with deep. In fact, they can beg with anything where they say it will make you feel pity. If you get their blood, but they will never tell you the reason what lead them to that begging. What bring them to that square? So please, anybody where want bring something come out. I know say more not doing a foundation. Go and register it. Let the government know the tax, that know the income, what you are getting and what is going out. Yes, that money where they say they got that 500,000 where they carry go to BTH. I know say that person the one is not take care of. If that 500,000, maybe 500,000 euro enter my organization here for Europe today. Kamete municipal vera go come ask me say what is that money for? They'll first tear their tax come out, belasting. They know they use and joke. They'll first tear their belasting come out for instance, beg. They'll first keep their tax. They'll tell you say may use the rest. They do what you want to do. By the time you not come reach, come back to them for help. That will give you as a loan, or that will support you because they know you have a goal. You have where you are going. You have something to do. You have something meaningful to do with this money. So please, if you want to bring your video, come out. As now don't they see they follow house to house they go. So because I don't see myself for this Facebook, some people go say, Stella, your mouth now they talk one thing. Even those who not believe on, they see they deviate for what they use their mouth they talk. I want that Stella will be say, if I see and say it good, I'll talk. If I see and say it bad, I'll talk. I want that I'll take you on a problem. I not be on a problem. I not be on a problem, Sam. This matter don't clear. Everybody run foundation. Register your foundation. Let them know the income that is coming. Let them know how your foundation is going. Let them know the security you are giving to your foundation. Let them know how secure your foundation is. Let them know how capable you are to run a foundation. Let them know how far, what you have learned, what is your experience to have a foundation. Or yes, listen. I go to, if you must say, I say one day I write something coming for my pay. I say something big is coming. I go to Amsterdam for during the protest. We wanted to protest, but rain not let us protest. So during the protest, we come find one office. They tell us that this office they give out to Nigeria people, make they take the help their immigrants for person will see there we go they help their immigrants. They reach the community, they reach the IND, the immigration, the people that need help to them. But unfortunately, the woman what they put for the office can't abuse the office. It can't, no Nigeria no. Why no what I say to you? Una know what you are capable of doing. They give an opportunity. The woman can't abuse the office. He abuse the office. They can't say make they come out, make they come out for the other. They can't close the office. As the was it not Liberian? As the Liberian man come, they tell I can't say okay. Can I see this office? I can't release. Clamp share look at na Nigeria flag really dey inside this office. Now say okay, this office I want make this office continue. What we are then doing here before, I want make that thing when they do here again make it continue. However you want to continue, please sir, help us. Is a plus to us. Is another side of help. Not be everything we go dey run go dey make person dey do. I come dey appeal, they come and say hey, say let's why open office. Wait me I drink water. I can't dey happy say I want to put organization. Oh, I want join people. I want join my people. We want go organization. I can't dey happy. I can't happy. Come has come meet my boyfriend. And I second the Jama, I reach where Jama day. Now I say Jama see you. Where I go, we find one office. I want me this office they work. I want me to be say that maybe the person will be say I will be I'm not the founder or the founder of this office. He give me 3 questions where he slap me. Number 1 question. He said that office, what are you going to do in that office? If they give you chance to have the office, what are you going to be doing there? For the first 1 minute, I was confused. I was trying to say, like this. Then he said, okay, these things you mentioned that you want to do in the office, what is your experience? How much experience? How have you learned? What is your experience about these old things? I be like mumu. You can't say tell me any of that. He say what is your categories? Now that one can't slap my ear. Now I say you don't do. You don't do. Not be quarrel. I always say make I tell you say I be want do office. As you don't tell me say I must go learn. You take as short English. Not be the one where they give me slap with grammar. Honestly, I was not that I was discouraged. I was how do I say it? Yeah, it reminds me. It tell me, it give me goals. The only thing wey tell me say me I go look for social work, I follow them, they work. If na once in a week, me I take the voluntary work where I know they receive money. If na once in a week, I'll they go, me I take the get experience. And since I don't go school, I feel that if after my how many years experience, they feel write something for me. Now I say okay, no wahala. Now I say tell the people work. I beg, I don't get experience, so I don't get experience. My experience not there. I need to go learn. My boyfriend say I must learn. I don't get experience, but I'm not vessel. But any area I want and letting need my help, I go support. Say me experience, you know there. I know do office again. Now I withdraw. It wasn't a failure for me. It's better not to start than to fail. It's better not to talk than to talk rubbish. It's better not to promise. Oh God, I beg. Make una dey run anything wey una wan run, clear and sand o. Make una take una time take do una foundation. I beg, make una register am like Europe. May no dey cause quarrel again, so that government go know where una help come from. To say una dey run better organization, this palliative wey we go finally find at the end of the time say palliative the food dey say palliative. Suppose una dey run legalized organization or register organization, maybe some of una go there and more people wey go share this palliative that time. But we are doing this based on diaspora. I know diasporas are there. Office. Wey be say later una go insult them. Later una go call them all kind of all sort of names. Later una no dey even dey appreciate them. I mean no appreciating ya, nobody dey appreciate them. Una dey always dey take the glory upon una self. None of una dey say people dey support una. Why me no can support una? So now so maybe this one don't fail now. This one go want look for wicked points where people not tell like this one. Oh, make this one say hype about this one. It no matter. If you like, you bring the money of you bring the account number of the grandfather of the VT come out. We know the negotiation behind the camera, not be today the starter. Which one Benin have a good house, so I have to take advantage of them. Abi normal level. That one now be the thing now. Now be what that they do. That is the game they are playing. So it is over. Like this, anybody wey do live video wey say please, do diaspora, share this video, help this brother. I go come and come insult the hell out of your head. Whether I donate I not donate my family donate they not all wa says on him who one I go the cause quarrel between me and una now. Make una they ask for Nigerians. Many look at this young man. When I started to watch a movie where they small, Ushe Williams. He's a very young boy. When he started to do movie, at least I can see say I watch him grow. I can see say I watch him grow when they do movie. When he start as a young boy, I can say it. I watch him grow. That boy now is a very very big philosophy in the Nollywood industry. You know they come back and they say indi bokwe indi gbegba nu ne di gbegbe mu nu ne bi mani kwe nu e di bi mani megbe nu ne me di go dey gundu e ma dey gonna kedu na me want to go. You know they come back and rap. You know they call Igbo in diaspora. You know they call Igbo the celebrity. Igbo in this one. Igbo in this one. Edo in diaspora. Edo in now only with the diaspora. Now only with the here. Now only with the here. Later on, of course, with the use teeth, they break condom. And the condom on una the shopper. Una go dey call single mother, this last single mother. You will not get life, this last single mother. That useless single mother is still feeding you with your silly by trick. It is end though. You don't finish. Una just so free. If you too heavy for una get good governor where they get time they listen to something good. If you listen, may I tell you what you want to know about governor. No get so baseki. May I tell you what you want to know about my father. My father is a very one person who be say. If you have goal, you have points, you have ambitions, you are creative, you can add one to make two. He's a businessman. You can add one to make two. You can make two to become four. You have that upstairs. Negotiate with him. You will see and say, go open that door, go be like him for your eye. Not be say you they run up and down, they run up and down, they run up and down, they dance up and down, they dance up and down, they look for people money what. If una go start with 6 pack, you never reach 5 months. I don't swear for belly. All of una go rest. All of una go big for belly anyhow. Now big for belly anyhow. Come on and take. We don't finish. I know say many people don't vow say they will never. Obaseki is sleeping. Make una wake him up. If he's sleeping, wake him up. Tom, if he's sleeping, wake him up. Wake him up. Tell him, hey, Your Excellency, you are sleeping. Wake up, man. There is something going on here. Wake him up. Now your governor is a governor for all. Not be one person, Papa. Not be one person governor. He is a governor of all indigenous of Edo State. Not be one person. It doesn't belong to one person. He's the father of all. If you feel that he's sleeping, wake him up by something. Wake him up by what you think you can make him wake up. Not by running up and down for social media. There's no money for people say, more than not they do this way. You want to use another blogging way to come out. It's not the work. Oh. You not go work. Since when I say no more foundation, no more fundraising, no more scamming from social media, from the diaspora people. Please, you people have to let it stop now. It had to stop. Abat, let it stop. Genocide, let it stop. Kolisimuda, let it stop. Apostle, I don't know where for the apostle. Let it stop. Osakono, my brother, let it stop. We don't wise. Abba say, we be mumu. Forgive you now. We don't want to give again. You go wake up. Keep on trying. Keep on trying. Keep on trying. Keep on trying. He will wake up. Keep on trying. Keep on waking him. Keep on waking him. Keep on waking him. He go wake up. He go hear you. But wake him up with something. Not be saying you go wake up, you dey smoke igbo. You go say, your governor, how far now? Or you go wake up, you go say, hey, governor, sit there. You not get something to say. Wake him up with something nice, something positive, something meaningful, something creative, something that can add 1 to 2 in Edo State. You don't understand? So please, and please, Abba, thank you. God will bless you. Because sometimes when I go talk something, I'm not gonna say people they keep me, I keep them. You say no more. You say no more foundation, no more collecting money from social media to help anybody. Whether you go build the victim account, come out they put time me and you know how they be. Now I know how far. I know how they be. I know what's up. After we know what it day. We know what it day. So not be today it starts. You don't understand. We know what it day. So whether you go bring the pikin, we know what it day. So it doesn't count who get the account number where it come out to, whether na organization account or whether na VT's account or call user account, take call on the people that can help them, not people like us that are suffering to survive. Think of somebody that is receiving 1,500 euro in a month as a salary, and they live for a house of almost 600 euro. You go come pay house rent. Maybe if now you go see big country like us, this year what would they for Netherlands? Whether you sick, you not sick, you must pay this one. What do they call? You must pay this particular one. Measures insurance. You must pay this insurance 100 euro. Whether you agree or you not agree, whether you sick, you not sick, you must pay this money every month. Who must so high? Who you too high? You pay 600, you have 1,500 in a month. You pay 600 euro come out for your money. You can't pay insurance for one, maybe 111 euro. Huh? You go eat. Maybe you see that family where they back away, you go take care of. Think of how money where how much go remain for your pocket. Where be say one particular people go gather this money from one for each of one person. Each of one person will see the manage here. Gather around. After they don't gather around together, they'll come say that they be God and they be Alpha and Omega. Nobody like they'll come say insult those who give to them. Let's keep that aside. There are some work. When men they work for all time here, where about not go feel work, genocide not go feel work. Even the apostle not go feel work. Colleagues not go feel work. Not even some gonna hold it. None of them go feel work this work. They not go feel tell about I may go do cleaning. Maybe they give them 700 euro for a month. About earn more than 700 euro in a month. Yes. If I convert all of them, money where they receive, commission, all of them, their salary, now 2/3 of my money, where some people, now 2/3 of money, where some people they receive for Europe here. Now, can't they use na dirty the wrong one person? When they don't feel, they not feel take care. When I go take care of my mama, will get off for Lego. It has finished. If you are not feeling, when I carry the body, go government house. Carry the person, go admit for UPTH. They cry. Go on life by yourself. Call on the governor. The governor make one call like this. That patient will be admitted and it will be treated. If you need the emergency case, you know where to run to. We will see the Europe. If it's too hard for us, we need the emergency case. We call an ambulance. Since we not get ambulance, if it's too hot for you, drive down to the hospital. Cry, go live on Facebook. Let the people hear your voice that you are there. One call, your patients will be treated. If the call reach the next person, will go get you more patients. If you not consider rich like that, we go know say yes, you try, we not gonna succeed. Now we say this morning, I die in diaspora. Let's help this our brother. Let's help this our sister. Let's help this our friend. Let's help this our widow. My mother is a widow. Era me wound in 2015. My mother is a widow. She need help. Now what are you telling me? You think my children will survive? Do you know the risk I took to make a life? Do you know the risk I took to start to this point of talking to you? Do you know what make me bold like this to start to your face and start talking? Everybody is there anywhere. The after that one where get away boy. Who na say go Europe? Who na say go Europe? Who be na? I want you to see gbese for now. A foundation give answer now. What it be all this one? What is it? We don't pay gbese finish. What it be all this one? Huh? What is it? Don't pay gbese finish. Mama get gbese for we run on. akukpore afefe ma igo na rege dion akukpore afefe ma igo na rege abati ke ya no na akukpore afefe ma igo na rege konisi akukpore afefe ma igo na rege sono kono koti akukpore afefe igo na rege apostle no we go free na hu emi na mama tetamo it is vexing me. It don't finish abeg mona de carry the matter the face the people una go shomole una get Mr. our Pastor Side is a rich man also. We get millionaire, we get a good governor, a governor with human feelings. Yes, forget palliative, not be only those states for happen. I know what they tell the way not make a share because the every makpana sunu. More come on. Apart from that palliative, I never see anything what they do na bad. Come on the palliative aside. I beg you na we one igbera. No, don't pass that junction. Now let that palliative way happen for everywhere. Not be only those states. We don't pass there. That place don't close. You don't shatter. You don't mean they don't. I don't shop and rice when I want eat for Christmas. I don't keep and I don't. You get it. Not be only those states that one for happen. Don't close that shatter. Better man. Apart from that one, not getting all that one. I would say may do it, never do it. They try. He's doing his best. They do what he go fit do. So please, when you think you want to start any organization, any association, anything you want to start in Edo State that you think is for the betterment of Edo State, please register. Let it be legal. Register it. Let it be legal. Let it be that we go know how much they come there. So that if you they pump. Government go know how much they pump in. They go know how much they pump out. Of course, you go survive. You can not of course. Of course. Are you going to deny that to my face? You would dare. You would dare because I will smoke you off. You got me? So please, let this all nonsense stop. Everyone not that what here doing diaspora. While I do what good do. You got good and the zeboni. I do diaspora, they are not MTN machine. And doing diaspora, they are not what's here? Type. La regulate and on the Europe, only going to 50 euro. And so what belle condom, not 50 euro for the 30 card. I'm telling you. Oh, what belle condom 30 card. And the condom also. I baby no answer. A foundation you have Edo State, only Edo State so don't turn to wahala. Edo State foundation don't turn to something else. Don't turn to something else for Edo State. Not the way they read that my state in yakin ove. I mean your partner was so big Edo ni yakin ni yagbin naji ni yasimi ni yamwegi yaji. Emi okparo ni yasin nesi yagbin naji nesi yasimi nesi yamwegi yaji. Ona give no one heavy out. Agwamayi. Ibi edo na agwamayi. Agwamayi bibi edo. No me mechanic ye ya. O me bigla na for bigla ye ya. O na gbo na for wa gbo yan be so na. O me no gbo ma woti ame wa hu na make na fi. Agwamayi wa ga gi ma hi o. Ime wa yun legbe moroko ki make up o me 6 months e mu wo bo e. Egbe moroko aru owo wi me na ri. Don't deal with me. This matter don't close. This matter don't close. Shutter close. If you want to help anybody, help them as quickly as your pocket reach. Then if you cannot help them, say it's too much for you, it's too heavy for you, and you find pity, and you want to help, bring it. As other people take the bring it for other people, they say, this person needs help, please. Help them. Help them, help this person, promote this person, share this video to Nenemi, let them Dinominaye hear this, let the Oshomole hear this, let His Excellency Governor of Edo State hear this, let Obasanjo hear this, let Tinubu hear this, let Aliko Dangote hear this. Scream of the people where be say they feel buy us. Come they tap me here like say. 30 card, my brother. Is Zegbe 30 euro. Zegbe no be 707. 30 euro. Yeah, why? What come me 50 euro? Ya kon gbele kon don isen who do ade na run pa no total ga we not to charge all the name of foundation wa mu edagbu wa or heavy gbe wa mu ne governor dai wa mu na we manife won janaye man. Do you know what is going on here? Can you wash a toilet? Ime gba pe toilet we model slick we very. That is the company I work. Igba pe toilet. I clean it. Remember what the no everything to he send the yake lock camera. This is where I work. Yeah. You see the name here? This is where I work. Modus Link. Vera. He send lock camera. He wanna winner. Igba toilet. 3 hours 30 minutes I will pay for them adowa dey agbe bi akin. I the 700 we do am mina mero pa no kun we kidney no wie abadan no wie meti gba ogun no wie failing ne. We ha giji me kun o no na giji me gba ko mi dan. Ya kan giji me get je that dog me problem e bo. You say na social media agi me no even you go. No man no you boy amosisi. None of una wa work again. I not say any of una go fit use and national say this is the company I work. This one go say I get my own office. What you they do for your office? Why you not follow your office up? Why deviating up and down? Which of una go tell me so I don't work for so company for those state there or so company for Nigeria? They not there. Obewe yakin. So please, Emmanuel, whatever make me ya. Iya be mama ni be fiana from make me ya. Enough of all this. About West Oteme. We wa fi agbon ya because we wa ta. We ti ma kon. Ni manari go ne genocide. So we will not start it from you also. My ga make gbugbo we sun. I beg. Nobody force nobody, but at least the truth had to be sold. Had to be said. Sorry, the truth had to be said. So on the nobody force nobody to send money. Here go ma war no more nyahu. I know say people like una they will carry for head. Where their mother say akasano loka. Wa mu yere nyahu. I know. People like una where they are draw house whatever they pay rent. I know. Or people like una where see one black boy put na for how they do na nyasha black. I know. So if people like you they talk, you're not gonna pay me. You're not gonna pay me if they say not be by force. But if you see the way that they do the begging, the way they'll take look at the person, they'll take sample the person, put for with big screen of camera, you will be touched. You will be touched to help. You will feel to give. Not be by force. But they are stealing our emotion, they are blackmailing our emotions. It's not matter of fault. They are doing it in another language of fault, but blackmailing our emotions, extorting money from us, calling to Abat. Marikun, Dion Marikun, Abat Marikun, Kolisi Marikun, Kanakodi Marikun, Apostle Marikun. If you do every for una, Mona carry affect the right people. Our mumu don't do. We don't grow. It don't do. Mama, where write this question? Say there are more people who be say nakoku for some people. Wala wo. Wala. May go look for more. May go look for more. May if the stack am, may go look for another bank. May go look for another job. They should go and look for something to do. Me wa we win na. Instead me yake loka. Yake akpeto let na hi. Me wa we u. Oyi ba yi ko me make me na we u. I want to go wa yakpe lot let no ba se ki ba wa we pe. Why if you want to go in the office of governor you must say I want to go ya office in the governor. Why want to go office in the governor? Now office on my way. And my wife go to clean the governor office. No. No, why go and not agree? I not go agree. So like this, all of una, whether who fair cons is carry money, not concern anybody again. But like this, as my brother don't tell us our mumu don't do. We are not doing no more. We not they do again. While they go while we live, we don't know what they do in diaspora. Or working in my way. 2021, iwa ya we sun bunati. Una de gbe while we live, you don't know what they do in diaspora. Why me no go along? Except who was sunu ye never panutie. You will mention one particular name where they call. If na Kevi Bugatti, you say Kevi Bugatti, come and help these patients. If na Julie Bella, you say Julie Bella, come and help these patients. If na Betty Joe, come and help this patient. So, if na Uji Sylvia, come and help this patient. So, call up one particular person. No, don't you ever say I do in diaspora because I'm in diaspora. Then you will invite my fight too. Claire Asando. That boy Zeboni, eh? Don't ever speak that English again. Don't you dare. I want that man. I first sing that before. Now the music where I sing for my governor before. On that man, I give my de no mawo, we anya de no mawo. Amora bazan o, amuje boji, amoye woga wage. De no mawo. Amora bazan o, amuje boji, amoye woga wage. De no mawo. Ko amore bazan amuje boji amovie woge de na mawo ko de na mawo ko de na mawo nai de no gi mawo nai wala o me o magete do in diaspora mo na the mention particular name or particular organization particular club no say club e we put machine many club ladies club okpo fiara okpo fiara and then they'll call you because the better the mention name, the better you the mention name. Say this name, come and help this person. Mama Bella Bed, this person need 1,000 euro. Please, can you help? Agwa sunu yo. Now you're the mention name. Ojo Esoe, can you give this sister 2,000 euro? Agwa agbunu yo. William Squee Wheezy, can you help this person $1,000? Awa agbunujo, waga iti edo in diaspora, oga siezo, cause waga ti edo in diaspora, oye na me otu wasi monsa o. Oye na me tu wasi monsa o. Waga isi monsa o. Imame ni gugwa de, ogba gumeko ki jeme o. Ogba gumeko ki vive o. Me mogi me gbe, that doga mo ge gbe. Wala o. Waga isi monsa o. Nobody should drop me money again. Measure the name. Call on the name William Squeeze Wheezy. Come and help this person with 500,000. Go bust you if you get. If you not get, go tell my brother you call at the wrong time. Now so you are rich. Huh? And then what say? Now wow. My sister, we don't use juju for the egba wasun. You not go work again. So all of una they call on the right person, one they call. Wa munu yo, there Prophet Titi, I bet this brother need 500 euro. Can you help? Baba will give me the account. All the Baba my brother not get to. Who may go call at the wrong time? And that was say Oyekman na wo na get moki. Oyekman, Emi Berry, can you help this sister with 1,000 or for me memory son? Umana no woman. Waga egati edo in diaspora o. Osonoma 2020 o. Osonoma 1010 is sonoyi mi kere because the thing I know they like am again is becoming job now. Dorokash. Dorokash. Can you help this person with 1 million based on who you be? If you get, you say take. If you not get, Dorokashi. Happy New Year in advance. I don't miss you. Thank God you are here today. I miss you, darling. So, Dorokash, can you help this person with 1 million based on who you be? If you get one them, take them. Well, if you not see there, you say one them. All the risk at this moment. You go see you understand. Why not they call it in diaspora again? Many people there for other tribe, other states, with all those celebrities, they all of the get foundation where they run. Many, they get the right source where they get the money from. We not go they call them ashawo, celebrities in ashawo, then they follow politician. If they not follow politician, who want give them the money where they want to help people? Not be the politician they hold us money. One come they draw who the diaspora where they family. Not be politician they hold us. Now then the whole lot, now then they go follow, now then they go collect for take help another people. But if they follow now, they call them ashago. What in ashago nai? Ashago babasha. Then ashago nak babasha. Nigeria ma seven ojina. 1 million nai. Iya ko min nai. Watasi nai. No more doing diaspora again. Where is Zeboni? What the gbe zebo Africa diaspora ni. What the gbe zo. You don't tire person. Now they call on the right people, the right source. The people will be saying, we will not ask for good governor. We don't deliver. We have delivered. We don't deliver. Not you the deny say money not the US is strong. Ekele the cash in na so. We have the cash for deny say not get money. You come they say, well, not the call do diaspora I do. Call person with name. Call them by name. Call them by name. Bunuya. They say let's put you. Okay, my brother. Only go 500,000 man and 10,000 kaswene. Where we have 10,000 where ya then you probably swan here. Who can le 10,000 le 2 months? Where we have 15,000. Who can le 5 months? Where we have 20,000. Your money go they grow. You don't understand? I can't. See you there, Baba Philip. I can't. Why the boy zeboni o? Na come me nine. Sure matter be all this one. Then me aji potajo. Very annoying things. Edo in diaspora. Ke kwanu. Ha, ogini. Walking nine. What's up, man? Oga siezo wa de gbezeboni. Colleagues, zoy. Because wa kewe na ze, our brother in diaspora, our sister in diaspora. De gbezeboni o. Wa siezo di ma we. My God, let's help this our fellow Nigeria citizen. Asia is the person you are advertising not from Nigeria. Can't another person help the person? It must it be a do. Not by force. Are you there? Help me. You know how much for wrestler, idiot. If you know how much for wrestler, Mumuti. If you try and again say I do diaspora again, you go to cause quarrel. So as soon as I give money for this, like you say, this one not your responsible. You are stupid for tapping me unnecessarily. That boy is a bonio. Yeah, yeti. Tired. I beg. That one is my straight message. I don't want to stay long. They carry my pikin to go school tomorrow. I don't understand. So I don't want to stay long. I don't want to waste time. I will quick sleep. Okay? I beg. No more doing diaspora for a foundation advertisement. Call on the right source. Nigerians, fellow Nigerians. Let's help this our brother. Fellow Nigerians. Let's help this our sister. Fellow Nigerians. Governor nenemi, senator nenemi, minister nenemi, ambassador nenemi, commissioner nenemi. Call on them. Una know all of them by name. The time for campaign. Una know all of them for name. Now why invite them for party? Una know all of them by name. Now why go follow the tape picture? Why don't they call them with the time of help? If you want promote on yourself, now they know their office to they go. Why not they use the thing to take the promote on yourself by on yourself? Can you imagine? Even that one is okay. Even that one euro when you talk say €1 raise like they don't agree give me. They don't agree give me. If you buy for me today, buy for you say yeah, a raise like what there. Look at the raise line again now. And then buy me the more €1 na ya the raise line. What more €1 na ya the raise line. I don't know more. I will buy by raise line ni. We me I will buy by. I wa gana na ma we wa gbo be kwe gote na gbo ba gede sla €1. O what €1 no. I remember 150. I use the brown one for 150. Me see am. And this one they use. Na €1.50. I want €5 na €5 na wa lo for. I wa gbo ba gede sla. Wona je gbese. Agbo ba. So please everybody get responsibility. This race this very particular race that na responsibility is very very vital to the cause. Can they change like say like this? It's very very vital to the cause. Can't. So the scatters now the diaspora. I bet one they call by name. Why was I Anita, just but can you help this person with 1,000 euro? Based on who my sister be, if he not come for you because of an no man, and maybe or we have never organized. If you tell you say, my brother, my sister, I'm not feel happy with that one. No, okay, take this one, or I'm not feel happy. My boss will know your name and call them by name. They call them by name. Don't you say I don't in diaspora again? It's annoying. It's annoying. Because Abba don't tell us say we be mumu. Our mumu don't do. We are not mumu again. Everybody don't grow. This 2020, Mugu become wise. Mumu become wise. You understand? Mugu. In fact, na Maga the 4 now for 2020. Not be Mugu the 4 again. Na Maga the 4 2020 now. So this 2020, everybody don't civilize. I don't understand. This 2020, everybody here don't clear. This 2020, I dey work for you. Well, change down. I bet, thank you, my brother. Who call business? They pay you. Who call person up now? 100 euro. You know, I'm not be 100. But now 100 is almost 50. It's almost 50,000. They don't big like. You know, understand? When I enter another business, why you so bad? Who am I you? Why you so bad? Why you want to be bakery? Can I wear bread? You want to work come? Yeah, they do. Yes. They could take person for bakery. If you go for bakery where they do bread. They always they employ people there. Go and look for bakery and start doing something. Go and do something with your life. None of una get hard job. None of una get hard job. None of una get hard job. None of una feel tell say that this one I learn when I go school. Now this one I learn after I finish school. Or now this one I learn. Now this one, you know they una go school fine, but what una learn? As school can't fail una. What una has say fail una? What person now how come they use una mouth they suck people where sit down there like mosquito. Do a school that will fail you, but will fail you where? But will fail you? One are not use na heart, his certificate fail una. Can I just why we go school not see job? If you not see job, why you not get hard to work? Why you not go learn? Una go so na don't finish school, graduate like now I go learn work. Yeah, why no here beggar level? It has end. Don't read what Zoe doing diaspora was season my way no here. You want mogun well as ka check up. Cause I said to Suni also knew never no tie o. Wa wasu knew never no tie we. Rosemary, enemy. Can you help this person with enemy? Joy, enemy. Can you help this person with enemy? Easy ogbade. Can you help this easy we come on wetin same ke me go. I wetin some at easy. What easy otamawe. I come and get the tire shower when you go better no neck be no ma wagbon. I can buy the contact come 50 euro you want to take out for person you say this you say you get. I like try oh. You don't do enough of all this nonsense. So that is my message for these people. I draw their name up there as a topic. It's a direct message. Yeah, guys, so you here oh. I will go on free way. Yeah, guess so yeah. Does he come out? Come out now? Consider it. Tell my sister, my dear sister, say less. 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 Lori was ya kokoko ya gumegwa. Yeah, you know what for Nigeria. This foundation was one. Mona start for the right source. Mona you start for the right source. Why see ya kokoko ya gumegwa? I don't try am. Is it no enegbe? Is it not ga? Well, what is it by my sister? Can you wear this person with 500 euro? I'll get club no ya win na ma we no ya san kia. Ya san wa make na me we ya gba we gbo. O wa ge ma we. All the time I stand no over work someone. You think it's easy? What is that? So please and please, when I go learn work, you never see late. For Europe, yeah, people they go they work, they see they learn hand work. They call Berup Bedrive. Berup Bedrive. You the learn work, you the go school until you perfect on that thing. Europe here, people they use how many years they do one. angry na wan make am by force through Edo in diaspora when do diaspora gbo wa Edo in diaspora do wa asu nye wan what ye o mo na dey mention the name of the person wey una dey call o if una call una no mention name na you dey call anyhow una don draw deadline na don draw na don ma woku say instrument ni wa gba oni ma go ni ka mwa na gwe enough of this okay una go dey carry una head dey go the right source. No more Edo in diaspora. Abba say we be mumu. Our mumu don't do. We cannot be mumu again because Abba not come they do like Oshomole o. Not come they do like Oshomole o. You know na go so Oshomole not they talk one thing they do like this. Come, foundation not be campaign o. I'm telling you. And that shall not be election wey so sabi pass na dem win am. People wey they give the wise. Why they shall not be election, not be campaign. Say now who's being a pass, who's smart pass, and they win. And I lie, we don't wise. We are wazalize. We are wazalize like this. We don't want anymore. So Mona just please. It is just from house to house. I'm looking from street to street. Voila! Enough of all this. They call this yes from house to house. And now they came from street to street. We the person of the table Bible was something Bible was found. I don't know if all the way Bible level come me all me free me 30 there. He is supported governor. Wala me o. So I don't hold the law wo. Why won't no here? We watch school, go and look for a good job. Okay? You're seeing our face it. If people contact you, do your job. Eke Aduati Edo in diaspora seeking for people helping is enough of this. Voila. Then why we get pastor just pastor Odion, who just now, or you want with Bible? It did. The Bible. Then why we get better? Not why we attend Bible. Oh, we attend Bible mama rubber. Today. And then the guy again now. A pastor just away a more Bible. I wear more rubber with him. Oyo bolokpa de Bible o ko no wa lo pele. Oyo bolokpa de Bible ji. O te no oh Jesus. Wọ́n wa ave voja. I am a foundation. I am a 30 million free the street where those states. I na give wow. Owa mo Bible mu pu. Owa le go ori o de microphone man ori we va. I don't know the weapon you want to use. Go here, all your free mere tax, where those certain or what you supported governor. Enough of this abracadabra. Enough of this abracadabra. Wanna take on a time. So that is that. The one is a god of him mulago. Is Zagodo. Wakaya am your free. Eh? What is all this? You don't just do like this. I'm not just like. I don't like it. Everybody don't tire. You know what is meant to make a life in Europe. People they use ketchup and spaghetti till they sustain here. Do you know what it means? Many people don't attack diet because of lack of food. They will say that they do diet. Hungry! What's your diet? Oh, I'm on a zegbo o. Ero toru no oje. Amona zegbo amegbe ero toru osie o. Uru pari evete o ero toru osie oje me o. Amona zegbe o ero toru osie o. O me gagbe abewe bo iya wetin ya diet o. O boy got the so iya wetin ya diet o. Iya ga so wa we je me o ga no wo menu le wa ge. Iya ga so wa we o ga no wenu me freezer. O me ipedi usi wa kan me o se me o. We mo e o je me ni ri epure. Why never why? I waiting a diet oh Jemo. Uga no ever why oh waiting a diet oh. Wagari ruako the foundation ga yagbu wa hu o wagari wijo boneko wagaye kesho pure spaghetti waga wijo bofone wagaye kesho pure spaghetti o wagari wijo bofone o waga gbole kan ko yare bread o. What is all this? Mona teta somebody rara I want you diet no, you are too big. Get big. Do you know what it takes to big? I have a living witness. Do you not verse a beg? Foundation. It was a 6-pack ball. You got it? It was a 6-pack baby. Not go fuck. That guy is sweet finish for head to toe. Oh, that guy go sweet finish. He go only go wear go make. Boy, that ain't the real bodies now. And a polo ya because a brother money. A brother money me. You take a look at that bat. Look at that bat of 2015, 2016 with the saga that year. Come look at bat now. Yeah, it's that sicky now. Who better shape in a killer quail what that shiki? Wow, what that yet? Wọ́n kí wọ́n sọ láìpẹ́ ìdọ́lọ́wọ́ kòkòkò yàrá wọ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ wọ́rẹ́lẹ̀. Ní wọ́n mẹ́ láwọn gúnmẹ́ wọ́n mẹ́ o. Ó pẹ̀lẹ́. Wagamela wona latia. Oh, last check up. It might be funny, but I'm serious about it. Wọ́n mú àwọn ni wẹ́kàpẹ́ wẹ́kàpẹ́ that's wẹ́kàpẹ́ owó ṣẹ̀tẹ̀ bọ́yẹ́ kókókó ọlọ́wọ́ òpó ọ̀hún ikú rẹ̀ ọ̀yẹ́ kwẹ̀rẹ̀kwẹ̀rẹ̀ ó gbà ẹ̀yìn tẹ́ social media the power wàá wẹ́yẹ̀ tí ẹ dó diaspora wẹ́rẹ̀ kọ́lísì ọba ẹ̀kọ́ wẹ́kàpẹ́ nàìjíríà yìí gbọ́nsọ̀ tó lò tó ọwọ́ ìyẹn yìí gbọ́lọ́tà wẹ̀tẹ́ road wọ́n ìkà ẹ́. Ekele ni kwa mele la gbebode. Oh mama, Dio. Gbero wo mi la wele. O wa pay o wa ma pay o wa foundation must shop. You must pay. You are a supporter. Imagine. Then I have it 3 rand for 20 euro. La Rame Foundation. One man, when I don't know this economic way come and say affect Toto. It affect Toto. It affects single mother. So I am telling you, All those single mother wey be the girl to Igbo wey be say the hustle come and they'll get things. Yeah, fair them. Don't do something now. They say 1 round before now. If you see get law that time where they say some of them, me I don't retire since 2014. But the way they market now, before you still do 1 round 50 euro, 40 euro. Then now that they price 3 round for 20. We sweet. You must see guess with math, Jonah. If you know your guess with math, and then you see another person will say, come on, give me 4 times. Ọwọ́ sálẹ̀ kan náà rẹ̀ ọtísí ègbè lórí ọgbẹ́dẹ wà lọ́kàn náà rẹ̀ ọwọ́ sàmọ́ ẹgbẹ́dẹ yóò wá o. Mama. Before we go sleep, at least la 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 la. Oh dear. No matter what they will ask a check up. Please, laugh have passed, so joke have passed, so I stand with my words. Oh, if you want to call Edo in diaspora, have particular name you are calling no. Sunu ye ni omakore we ya go. Ọmọ nu tie ni ọmọ na wonu yewe ya they was apura they do live video mami ọmọ na wonu ye go di men no ya go say let's you mom bring this money very yo oga siezo my brothers cause ikpe ya kina ni o wa siezo I can make a pass on more bala where you call let us free with tight. Nika was a get on your torrent. So that is that. Again, I have it. So I have concluded my part. That is the message I came out here to give. I'm not gonna fight anybody. I just can't talk things. It might be funny. My gear and so it be. So why allow no any get rovie. Wakia wo video wa post video egme do diaspora yo ebe tell at ya nu wakia ta sunu ye ni ma no kin sunu ye na ma no kin that alonga jola o this person have nash problem, can you help with 300 euro? Oh because my brother want pay my light bill so sunu ye ni ya very you go dey cause quarrel. So that is that. And the music that was playing on the background is from a very superstar, a handsome superstar, a loyal superstar, a humble superstar, a superstar that can hold the guitar without tiring. Oga went from party to enter party after party, dum. Then when they use guitar, they play without keyboard. That music was coming from Don Smart Ifuwa. So if you want to follow him on YouTube, patronize him on YouTube, Don Smart Ifuwa. Subscribe to his channel, has a good music. So it might not be too much, but the little you will gather, it means something. Even if you know me, that guitar way there, don't go there. The one where I take the shake me as na music na be. It just give me music where they feel make me they move. It gives music you can dance to, music you can express your feelings, express your joy to. So subscribe to his channel, Don Smart Ifuwa, and follow him also on his Facebook. He's a good musician for your wedding, for your party, birthday party, marriage anniversary, wedding reception, funeral, remembrance, any kind of occasion, the smart Afua is there at your service. Very affordable guy. No understand, forget all those nyama wey they talk. When ya wait all night eru na nano aleru ne no magawo mami in another way it may be fear with na aleru nu wumu koga wuyo mawa eru na nano taleru nu wumu koga wuyo mawa eru na nano eru na nano taleru ne se munyaga suwa bo eru na nano taleru ne se munyaga sunu jeni o eru na nano eru na nano taleru na gunda mobo eru na nano taleru na gunda zosehu eru na nano aviolele no se ve eru magawe rimiso eru aleru na gunda mobo na nu na wo bi eswo ma bo na wo bi ga heni o ma, so that is it. So iya kama ga zona ma yewu yo wa ele aka we gora sie ke gbere ya je wa we gedu we biri mmeke na me tagina iya agwo nyoma ye si gbene ga ba we so fa e ga ti wa gbo a iya awo gbo ma we gba koto we bi age do we gwa lo wo. Yes, you don't just hear something about people and you just get concluded eri awojo get where you are o arige mama o ewu arige mama ọmọ tó bọ́ tẹ̀mí iná kí arige mama o oje ẹ̀dọ́mẹ́ arige mama o yẹ fún wa nà mo ṣe arige mama ọmọ tó bọ́ tẹ̀mí iná kí arige mama o gàyé sẹ́sọ́ àgọ́rí Maria o. Gloria Maria, Oria to barata vero, ki hai Gloria Maria, Oria, Gloria Maria, Oria, Gloria Maria, Oria bato bota vero, ki hai Gloria Maria, Eriano, that's so it be. So I will end it here. I want to go to bed. I want to go and meet my old boy. Can't pay. Let me cannot want that easy. Let me go there. Oh, anyway, can you get? Are you coming? I want to get some more. Come on, yeah, some. Easy, I must say. Not easy. Foundation must continue, but start legally. Get particular person and they invite. One love, guys. I love every one of you. I still love me. Stanley, I beg, take me picture. I beg. My do sexy photo like this. Stanley, take me photo. Me send that for me. Push the comment. Go one side. Swap the comment the hell out. Swap the hell out of the. Mommy, take me picture. Swap the hell out of the comment aside, okay? Let me wear my spectacle so I will look like a cute, innocent daughter of God. Sister, anyway, I pose now. Wow, we pia. Okay. Yeah. So more come out like this. Me not be like say I don't see my show. Ọgbẹ́gbẹ́ káì. Ọgbẹ́gbẹ́ káì. So that is that. All right. Good night, everybody. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for commenting. listening. Thank you for your opinion so far. Thank you. I might not read your comments, but oh, you want snap? Oh my god. Don, ago ya nya come here we. Okay, that one. Ago ya nya come here we. Okay, let's do like this. Aha. Who they ask me this question? How old do you think I am? How old do you think I am? Tell me, I gotta go. How old do you think I am? Because that question slapped my nash. How old do you think I am? With this my breast where it don't fall. At least you can see my breast. Wait. As you can see my breast, now push up bra, now see where see fall. You see where the line for go down. Who write this 25? What see me here? What see me here? I be what the Ghanaian see mure. When I come in there. Okay, what 25? Why you 10 years ago there? If you 10 years ago there, you 10 years ago there. 10 years no more ya gbuko kenwe. E bela no 10 years gbuko kenwe ne. You 10 years ago there. Who what 10 years old? Here kwa na. Abi okwo na. Chisu. Wow. 10 good years. You mind? Anyway, for you will ask me question. Waiting. You want will your property for me? Do you want to will your inheritance for me? What they use my age to do? You want marry me? You want will your inheritance for me? Do you want to will your property to me? Anyway, it's of no use. That's why I need that now. I suppose no young. I not support the 37 years or 38 years or 35 years. Neither I was the better. Did over and do I mama. As soon as they call me stainless, so I like her. Suppose I white knife for everywhere. My neck gone my breast. When I go they call me mama. So I know how many body my mommy join grand. I'm just still that guy not going anything one offer me with my age giving. Not be say one will property, not be say one will inheritance, not be say one will anything for me. No one buy me car, you know one buy me motor. You know one marry me even if you. Now good night. I love you guys. Wanna sleep well. Bye. See you guys some other time. If they cross lake called diaspora in Edo diaspora now see me here again. I'm not saying they don't do foundation. I'm not against it at all. They should start it in a legal way. Collecting money from people, let the government know the income that is coming. They will know the taxes you're supposed to pay per year or monthly, your taxes yearly. If you are paying tax, sometimes government also return part of your tax to you. That they do it here for Netherlands. Every end of the year, they will return a part of your tax to you if you are working, if you are paying tax. They returned my own to me a few months ago, 1,200 euros. If you are working, you will see that thing they call vacancy health, holiday money. At the end of the year, you will see the silver. You will see make with my own see come last this very year 600 euro. Yes. So go and do something. Go learn or start up with something you have experience to give about. No, you must tell us your age. You know well. For you putting that most. For you even putting it as a command, if you like say you not sabi me, which one be all this nonsense? I be your pikin. Why you must put must? I resemble your girlfriend where you dey find. Your wife lost. Your wife lost. I be you doing. What is your problem? What do you mean by must? Do I look like that you can give that reward? They don't give me that reward. They don't give me that shit, man. Okay? They don't give me that shit as a status. In your word, in your comment, there must not be a must in your comment because you don't brought me here to sit down there and start talking. You got me? You don't want really inheritance for me. What do you want to use my name, my age to do? Nonsense. I'm a good that.